My name is Coding User. This is my first video. Today I will be teaching you how you can set up with my preferred environment. This is my preferred, so it's my preferred things like NoJS. There's also Deno if you want to install that, but in this series I'm gonna use NoJS. Um, what is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is a code editor. It's in between an IDE and a text editor. A good example of a text editor would be Atom. It is Atom. Sorry. It is like very basic type of code software. Now, an IDE that has every single thing would be Visual Studio, for example, that has like all the features you'd require. But Visual Studio Code is more like of an in between. Like it is very useful, but it doesn't have every feature. So to download it, you need to go to code.visualstudio.com, and here it says download for Windows. You can click the arrow if you have Mac or Linux, but if you have Windows, you just click download for Windows. Once you've installed that, let's go into Node.js. As I said, Node.js is a runtime environment for JavaScript. I didn't say that, but I mean, it's a runtime environment for JavaScript. It is very good and just based on the Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. I would recommend downloading the recommended for most users, but if you want the newest features, download this one. I will be using this features. Once you've downloaded that, open Visual Studio Code. It will appear like this. Open terminal by going to terminal, new to terminal, and then just typing node-v. If you want to toggle the terminal, it's control apostrophe. If you want to toggle it, like control plus apostrophe. But yeah, that's a good shortcut that I use a lot. It is very, like, it helps me be real quicker instead of needing to go into terminal. New terminal that's very long. So instead I use control apostrophe. Now, node-v checks if like this proves whether you have Node installed. If it shows an error, like it does not recognize it, then you didn't install Node properly. But if it shows the version that you currently have installed, it works